Rod Collins here. Thank you for coming to my website. I've owned and operated Texas Mobile Advertising for 6 years now. We have created and executed hundreds of advertising campaigns in the great state of Texas on our fleet of billboard trucks, glass wall display trucks, and LED digital advertising trucks. Working with us isn't for everyone, but if you have a marketing budget and want to make sure that 50% of your ad spend is not wasted, like Henry Ford, J.C. Penney, and John Wannamaker all said, then you should consider using our services. We give you 8 hours of non-stop, eyeball-catching, attention-grabbing advertising. Unlike other forms of media, our advertising trucks cannot be blocked. Plus, we're easy to work with. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, book a campaign with us. Number 2, deliver us your art using one of our templates and instruction sheets. Number 3, tell us when and where to drive, then watch your inbox for our digital photographs and industry best proof of performance. It's that easy, and I guarantee that we will do what I say we are going to do, and we will not waste your marketing funds. My staff and my assets will work hard advertising for you. You can call me personally at 214-219-2729. I never take any money or a commitment on the first call, so let's get started. I receive a ton of inquiries, but promise to get back to you. The number is at the top of the page. You will be glad you called.